Hi, my name is Cubastic and today we're gonna try some sticker modding. Sticker mod is changing the whole puzzle by moving the colored stickers. I have a lot of stickers right here and today we're gonna make a few completely new puzzles. One of them is gonna be harder than the usual Rubik's Cube, one of them is gonna be just for fun, and in the end I'll show an awesome trick on how to solve a Rubik's Cube in 0 seconds. First, let's free all the cubes from their stickers. So what is sticker modding? You can make completely new puzzles just by changing the stickers on the usual 3x3 cubes. There's a lot of different ways to upgrade your puzzles. You can leave just 3 colors on your cube, put 2 colors on one piece, leave just 1 color, and every time it's a brand new puzzle. You can come up with your own puzzle ideas or find them on the internet. Today I will make one new puzzle I found on the internet. One puzzle with only 1 color, or the Zen cube. It will be just a funny toy, and in the end, as I said before, we'll use sticker modding to make a cube for a really awesome trick, which will help us to solve the Rubik's Cube in 0 seconds and surprise our friends with it. So let's continue. And done. Okay, so now we have 3 blank cubes for sticker mods. I'm really looking forward to see what it's gonna look like. So let's take our stickers and start putting them. First, let's do our easiest mod. We're gonna have all the sides with the same color. I think I'm gonna stick with white. It's more calm and will look better on the black cube. So we just take our stickers and start putting them on the cube. So one side is almost done. You know, I've heard a lot of stories about people who couldn't solve the Rubik's Cube, so they just replaced the stickers so the cube looks solved. Have you done this or have you heard stories like that? By the way, if you don't know how to solve the Rubik's Cube but really want to learn how, make sure to subscribe to my channel because soon I will upload the best tutorial on the internet so even your cat would learn how to solve it and will do it really fast. And we continue putting the stickers. And the last 2 stickers of our Zen cube. 1, 2. Okay, so our Zen cube is done and it looks amazing. Wanna know what is the best thing about this cube except it looking really nice? You're always calm and not pissed off that the cube is scrambled. You are solving it with every move you make. Just imagine how many times you can solve a Rubik's Cube in one day if you have a Zen cube like this. It's really nice to use, I'm making absolutely random movements and the cube always stays solved. It's really awesome to have one of these in your collection. First, it looks amazing. Second, it calms you like fidget cubes or something like that. Third, you can give it to a person who cannot solve a Rubik's Cube and he will not feel bad. And last but not least, no matter how you turn it, it's always solved. So you can practice your finger movements and speed. Speed cubers often practice their movements, but only this cube will always be solved. Awesome! I think this cube is one of the most enjoyable I've ever seen and had in my hands, and I'm really happy to have it in my collection. I did not even expect to be this glad to have it, because it's still just a white cube, but awesome! So let's make our second sticker mod called the sandwich. I need 3 colors. I'll take blue, green, and orange. So what do you need for this mod? Take 1 color, I'm taking green, and put it on one side. After sticking it on one side, take green again and stick it on the entire layer. here's what it's gonna look like. One side and one layer are completely green. So now we need to put a different color on the opposite side of the cube, and I will use blue. So I just finished blue color on the top, and we also have green on the bottom. So all we have to do now is to put one more color on the middle layer. And let's try yellow, so the cube is more colorful. And the last sticker, done. The cube is finished, looks really simple, it's called the sandwich cube. That's because it's covered with different colors from both sides. Awesome! It's really fun to experiment with these puzzles. Okay, so let's mix it up and try to solve it. So, here's the way it's scrambled. Just let me find the stopwatch and I'll try to solve it. Okay, I'm gonna start with green. Let's go. Seriously? Only 7 seconds? I needed just 7 seconds to solve it, and I actually think I can do even faster. So this thing is pretty simple, but really fun. Ha! Sandwich. I think I need to try putting different images on it later. Or on this cube. What do you say? Pretty fun idea. So, last but not least, the main sticker mod for today. A special cube made for a magic trick. It will help us to solve a Rubik's cube in 0 seconds. So, let's start. First, take the cube and put 3 colors on it. For example, blue, red, and yellow. As you see, we have 3 sides, it's yellow, blue and red, so from this side it looks like the cube is solved. But it's empty on the other side, so we need to make them look mixed up. For this we're gonna put different colors completely randomly on these sides. So let's continue. Just continue putting the stickers randomly, you can put whatever color you want, wherever you want. That's the point. Try to make each side look completely scrambled, that's the only way the trick is gonna work fine. So, the cube is finished, let's put everything away. So look what the trick is. I have a Rubik's cube with 3 completely solved sides. But when you look from the other side, it looks completely scrambled. The trick is to show a person this side so he believes it's mixed up everywhere. You can even turn it like that to make it look more realistic. And then you just drop your cube on the table so it falls on this side. Done, the cube falls and the person sees 3 solved sides. Let's try it again. Don't forget that the person you are showing this trick to should think that the cube is mixed up, so make sure he doesn't see the solved side. You can even make a few moves to make him believe, but actually you don't change anything. Spin it in your hands in front of him like that. This will make an illusion that it is randomly scrambled, but we are showing only 3 sides. So when he believes that the cube is mixed up, all we have to do is to drop the cube on this side so it flips over while falling. It will be really fast and will make an illusion of solving in 0 seconds. Let me show you again. Done. The cube is solved. You see? You do nothing, but the cube is solved. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm really happy with my ideas and my work. Leave a like if you enjoyed and I will make more videos like this. Maybe we will make completely new puzzles. Also say something nice in the comments and subscribe to my channel so you never miss my new videos. Take care.